This DDL is nothing but data definition language, right? This DDL command will work on particular what we called the object itself. Okay, either it is a table, view, procedure, function, whatever it is. So what are the commands which can contains in DDL? Okay, those are create, alter, rename. Okay, create, alter, rename, create or replace. Okay, what is this? Every time we are saying this create, alter, rename. Create is nothing but we are giving a command to the database manager stating that, hey manager, please create a particular object or particular table to allocate this particular data. So that is called create. Fine. What is this alter then? I think you guys know about the table, right? The table is having rows and columns. Okay. If you want to add a new column for the existing table, or if you want to remove a column from that table, for those things we should not use the create or replace function. We will go with the alter command. Okay, alter will alter the complete structure of that particular object. Okay, that is one thing. And rename is nothing but, see, first of all you should give some name to the particular object inside Oracle or any other databases. Okay, so we can change the name as well. So these all are working only on particular object, so that is called as a DDL. Okay, that is nothing but a data definition language.